Hey guys, welcome to our account tutorial series. This is episode 3 where we will look into your artwork library. If you haven't already, you can watch all episodes from this series and all other tutorial series in our support section of the website. Your artwork library is accessible via your dashboard and is where you will find all the leaflet designs you have uploaded so far. From here, you can view your design details, rename your designs, move your designs into folders, duplicate, download, and delete your files. You can also upload your artwork directly here too, and you can create and view your folders here. Did you know we have a designed for you service which starts at just £80 for a full print-ready leaflet? Your leaflets are designed by an experienced designer that will help you maximise the impact of your campaign. Head to our Contact Us page and reach out to find out more. Easy as that, you can watch episode 4 in our support section where we look into your account details in more detail. Thanks for watching.